now we're going to test the horizontal self-suction filling machine. And you can adjust the filling volume in here by this wheel. And before you screw this wheel, please loose this part, and change the filling volume, then screw it tight. Also, you can change the height of the filling nozzle by this. And also you can change the filling speed in here. For the different viscosity material, for example, the high viscosity material, you should change the speed faster, and for low viscosity like water, you should make the speed slower. Okay, now we'll test the filling machine. $94.4. Oh, I forgot to. $94.3.
清美。
$94.4. Almost the same. $94.2. Okay. So also you can use a tube to connect in here, and with a container or tank. So take off this hopper and connect this tube to a tank. Then you can suck the material from the tank directly and start the filling. Okay, that's all.